Hello guys, let's understand this problem here. This problem says the diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. Find the ratio of the surface area. So what we are doing here, we are going to consider the shape of moon as well as earth in the shape of sphere. You know the ratio of their diameter? Diameter of moon, let's represent the diameter as dm, is 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. Let's represent this as the diameter dE. So radius is going to be exactly half of this. Half and half will get cancelled out and you will get Rm is equal to 1/4 of Re. Now you need to find out the ratio of their surface areas. How are you going to find out? Surface area of moon is 4 pi Rm whole square. Surface area of earth is 4 pi Re whole square. You can replace the value of Rm as 1/4 of Re. 4 pi 1/4 of Re whole square 4 pi Re square. 4 pi will get cancelled out. Now their ratio will be 1/4 is 1/16. When you will take the square of this is Re square divided by Re square. Re square and Re square will get cancelled out and you will get the ratio as 1/16. So their ratio is coming out to be 1:16. So I really hope there should be no doubt. You were asked to calculate the ratio of their surface area. So that's how you calculated. I will be taking more problems in the coming video lectures. Thank you.